Looks like we got an intermodal train coming. Listen to that sound. Hear that, Mom? Oh boy. Those appear to be GE locomotives. Can't be for certain though. Let's just go ahead. Ooh, they're moving up the throttle. Yep, strong engines. Looks like we got a GE and maybe 2 SDs. So we got 2 from General Electric and 2 from GM. Looks like we got CSX air motor there. Not usual here. The Ozarks. What else we got? Another CSX. So we got some different freight down the line. See the clearance there just below the bridge? How much clearance you really get between the containers and the bridge there. Fortunately the bridge was closed, so we had to use this tay. This is actually quite nice. There goes some piggybacks I see down there, maybe. Now these trailers here, or not trailers, but these containers, they can be lifted off and put onto truck trailers so they can go on the road. Or you can put them on container ships. You can stack them. We were lucky enough to catch this. I can just get a better view here. Yep. Quite the long train. I got some 20-foot containers in there. Are those 20-foot, I think? Then we go back over to the, what is this, 53? Yeah. I'm gonna sit down a little bit and film these. That show. Yeah, that shows the trains just fine. Camera down. One smaller underneath. See, those are refrigerator units right there. So, they're here. They're carrying. Looks like we got the end of the train down there. What?
Good timing.
Uh-huh. Only 3 of those could pull all of this. Crazy to think, huh? Oh, looks like we got some from overseas. What's this? We got a coil car. The white coil car. Right there in the middle. Huh. That container looks like it's about to fall over. That's weird. Probably nothing. Here comes the end of the train now. See if we can get the thread on the end there. There's the thread. Right there. I'd say we got a lot of video.